Hi gorgeous, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be teaching you on how to slick your hair down. Excited and nervous. This is my first YouTube video, so I had to be encouraged to stretch my hair because my hair is just freshly washed. So now I'm losing it to comb it out and then start slicking down my hair. Yeah. So now I'm done with losing my braids, and now I'm starting with parting my hair. Yeah, so I'm trying to get a curved line or slanted line. So this is how you do it. You want to take your time, look yourself in the mirror and do that. You have to be confident enough so that your hand won't shake too much, because just putting the comb there can create some mistakes. So just calm down and do it, and you'll be able to get it. You can achieve this by yourself. So yeah, now I took my edge control. You have to use edge control to define the lines so that the little hairs will be able to go to where they are supposed to go to. Yeah, so I'm using Eco Gel and hair wax, which is an edge controller. I'm combining the two. I'm using the edge wax mainly on my little hairs and where I'm defining my parts, the line. Then the edge control, Eco Gel is what I'm going to use to slick down my hair. Yeah. So as you can see, I just parted the back of my hair because I want to pack that first. So I'll be sure that that place is very well secured, and so that it won't be much more difficult to pack the entire hair when you are done applying the gel. You want to use a hair ruffle and not a rubber band to pack your hair. So now as you can see, I'm taking my Eco Gel and I'm applying. I'm starting with the smaller section. Then I'm using my comb to slick it down. And as you can see, I found out that there is no gel under the hair, so I had to pat the hair to put some more gel so that everything can lay flat. Then I took my bristle brush and I'm brushing everything down. You want to brush and make sure that everything is flat and laid. Then you can try and pack the hair. I'm adding more gel, and you will see that here, because I feel like styling my hair, I will use my comb to kind of part my hair to give it some style, add some style. Yeah, that's what I'm doing now. Nothing difficult. Just after brushing down the hair, you take the comb and lay the first one and cut where you want to cut. Everything will just go according to how you are doing it. If it doesn't come out very well, you can fix it up. Okay, so as we're here now, you can help check out my Instagram. I really need more friends. And yeah, I'm adding my edge controller there so that it's going to make everything to be laid. And I'm using my brush to smoothen it out. Then I will go again with my comb to define that line which I put there initially. Yeah. Then now I've gone to the other section, the bigger part of the side parting ponytail. So as you can see, I had to part the hair because I can't take everything as one chunk. But then I'm using my bristle brush to smooth it down. Part to the second section, put some gel there, then slick it down. Yeah, this was not easy because my hair is quite short. But yeah, we're gonna make it work. Some more brushing down, some more adding of gel, and please help me by subscribing to my channel. I'll be bringing more of this more of makeup videos, more of fashion videos, just everything in between. Yeah. So that's the last part I'm slicking. Even just with my hand, you can see as the hairs are like laying, because I initially put gel under it, so it's gonna kind of glue to the other one. So yeah, I had to brush everything down, and I'm going to use my hand to bend it to the back. As you can see, that place open and my face skin was showing. So you want to take your time while doing this. You want to use the brush to cover it back, brush everything down well. Yeah. Then I'm going to take that section of hair and add to the one at the back. I'm going to quite change the ruffle I'm using to a slimmer one and pack the whole hair together. Now, as you can see, I took a small brush to smoothen out where it needed to be smoothed out, then adding more gel. Now I'm going to braid my puff, because you want your hair to be very much protected. Then I'll take a ruffle band, the slim one, to hold it. Using my hand to feel the back of my hair and smoothing out where it isn't smoothed out. Now I'm taking my edge control, the hair wax, and I'm adding it on top of my hair, the slicked part. This is going to limit the flyaways and also hold everything in place very much stronger. Make sure while doing this you don't scatter the entire work you've done, because this is not easy and you don't want to mess it up. So now that I'm sure everything is slicked, I'm taking some styling foam, hair mousse, putting on it. This is going to help. At first it's going to seem like it's melting the gel, but no. Once you tie your silk scarf and allow it to dry hard, you're going to see that it's going to set everything in place and make it look very natural. You want to tie your scarf strong enough to hold the hair, but don't cause yourself some headache, you know. You don't want to have some kind of bad effects from making this hairstyle. So now I'm taking the wig cap we usually use to protect our hair from wearing wigs and using it to protect my So yeah, I had to change. As you can see, my clothes have changed, and this is because I'm rushing somewhere, so I couldn't actually wait for the hair to dry. So that's why you can see me using comb to touch the places that didn't fix well. Then don't mind the whitish stuff you saw at the back of my hair. Once everything dries, it's gonna be okay. Adding more edge control to hold the hair in place. And that's my bond. Yeah, that's the bond I'm using. You know, you don't want to actually cut the bonding on the cap. You want to put it on the weave-on weft and then start to attach it to your hair. But because I was in quite a hurry, quite a rush, I had to just pour it and take the weave-on weft and start to attach to it. Sometimes you don't even need a bond. You can just attach the weft without using anything. As far as you tie it you roll it very strong and firm, it's not going to come off. Yeah, that's the hair I'm using. I'm using 1.5 packets of that hair. I use the other half for my sister. Sorry, half, not 1.5. Half. So that's me trying to figure out what's going on. And as you can see, I took a hairband to kind of put it in place because I wasn't sure the bond was going to hold it well. So yeah, it's going to hold that particular section which I've put on my hair. I've attached to my ponytail. Now I'm taking the second one and attaching it, and I'm doing this as tight as possible. Now, as you can see, I'm taking from the last weft, the hair that is there, I'm taking it to roll. This is going to also help to like secure the bond. Yeah, that hair I put there, it's gonna secure it, because we don't want to make any mistake of, yeah, by tomorrow the hair falls out. Nah, that would be a disaster. So now this is I think the last one, and I'm wrapping it again. This is the last one that I'm wrapping now. So I'll wrap, and I'll take the last part of the wefts and also try and use it to secure the hair. I'm going to take some piece of hair from that last weft I just added. Not just wrapping it, so I'm trying to also transmute out the ponytail so it look nice. This is a curly hair, yeah, but you still need that smooth. I don't know what it's called, but you get it, yeah. Okay, I have to take a second one to finally smooth it out very well. I'm gonna put some gel so that it's sleek. And comb it, because it's curly hair, you want to smooth it in a way as possible as you can. So yeah, that's the end of it. I'm done here and everything is good. Now this is a 360-degree showing you the hair, so you see how everything is from the back and everywhere, from the front, from the sides. And she feeling this hair. Okay, so this is the final result, and wow, I'm loving it. It's very nice, it's very good. So yeah, you can see it's simple style, nice, elegant. Like, you can vibe with this. You can even style it if you like. Can put spin here. You can style it however you want. Yeah, so make sure you like this video, comment and subscribe. Love you all.